I'm Chavan Janvi from the team MultiManiacs. So today we are going to start our journey of learning Python language. So first of all, let's take a look towards the Python. Okay, means introduction of the Python. So Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and the readability. Actually, Python makes very much easier to write and understand the codes. Okay, simply this language is a free and open source, and it runs on the multiple platforms including the Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and the various Unix systems. So, friends, in the previous video, we have learned that how should to download the Jupyter Notebook, and now from today we are going to use it to learn the Python codes. Okay, so friends, whenever you will open the Jupyter Notebook, so such interface will be open to your Windows. Okay, so this in this folder of documents I am going to save my Python codes. So just open it. I have saved my Python codes to this Python class name folder. Okay, so you can save it in the folder as you want it. Okay, so when as you will choose the folder for it, okay, then whenever you will open it, so simply on the right hand side, this is the option from where you can start your new kernel in which you are going to code for the Python. So see, so such interface will be open after clicking on that. So when I want to save the name that today we are going to start with the basics of every language, that are the variables, constant, and the keywords. Okay, so just basic constants. Okay, so basic of the Python. Okay, so I will save it by this name. So just rename. Okay, so from this you can change or rename your name of this file. Okay, so from this this is the kernel in which we are going to code for the Python. Okay, so let's start with the variables. So variables are used to store and manipulate the data. Okay, so we will understand with the help of the diagram. Suppose this is the memory cell of the computer, okay, where the variable is essentially a name that refers to a value or an object in the computer's memory. Okay, you can think of variables as containers that hold the data and allow you to access and manipulate that data throughout your program. Okay, so this is the name which is assigned to the variables. Okay, suppose you have gone for the shopping and you are buying some of the apples. Okay, so apple is nothing but your name of the variables. So now how much you are buying? You are buying 5 apples, 10, 20, 50 apples, right? So suppose you are buying 5 apples. Okay, so as you have buying 5 apples, so 5 is the number or the value which has been assigned to your variable name, that is the apple. Okay, suppose you have buy mango, which are about suppose you have buy 20 mangoes. Okay, so 20 is a number, okay, which has been assigned to your variable name, that is the mango. So this name has stored the value, that is the 20. Okay, so now let's learn that how will you assign the value to the variable name in the Python, in the Jupyter. So simply nothing to do. Okay, so there is just take apple is equal to 5. So in this manner you can assign the name to your variable. Okay, just you can run from this option, or you can just click shift enter so that it will get run. Okay, suppose your mango is equal to 20, shift enter, it will run. Okay, suppose actually why it makes very easier in Python language comparing to the other language, because in other language you need to define the type of the variable. Means suppose your variable type is in the integer. Okay, integer, suppose int. In other language you need to define like int apple is equal to 20, like this you need to define. But in the Python language there is no need to take this integer. Okay, it will automatically take apple is equal to 20. Do you want to see that what is the type? Okay, just type of apple, shift enter. So see, this is the integer type. Okay, this is the integer type of variable. Means this variable, the value which is stored to this variable is of the integer type. Okay, type of the mango. Okay, mango, shift enter, see, enter. So type of the mango means that variable name mango is nothing but integer. Okay, so after that one rule is that variable names are case sensitive. Means what? Suppose you have given capital MANG, okay, that is equal to 40, shift enter, and small letter mango is equal to 20, shift enter. Okay, so now I want to print the value of mango. Okay, so what the value will it print? Will it be 20 or will it be 40? So it will be 20 because this is the case sensitive language. Means what? The capital letter and the small letter matters for that. Okay, simply when you want to print this 40, so you need to type capital M mango. Okay, mango, shift enter, so it will print 40 for you. Okay, so this is as it is the case sensitive language because of that. Okay, then after the keywords. Okay, so you can't take the variable name keywords. Okay, keywords are the words whose meaning is already known to the compiler. Okay, so suppose you can't take if or as in your keywords. Okay, suppose if is equal to 20, so you can't take if is equal to 20. Why? Because it is a keyword, because its meaning is already known to the compiler already knows that if is used for the decision making cases, like if this, then you will, if you will do this, then you need to print that. Okay, so you will print that or you will give that output. So for such cases if keyword is used. Okay, so question is that how will you know that whether means what the word you are going to use is keyword or not. Okay, so for that what you will do is that import keyword. Okay, shift enter, then after print keyword dot kw list. Okay, so simply in this these are the keywords. Okay, so there are 36 keywords in the Python. So these are the keywords whose so means these keywords you can't take it as in the variable name. Means false, none, true. You can't take none is equal to 20 or none is equal to 40. So such cases are not allowed. Right? Then after learning these keywords, then after we will go towards the constant. But before that I would like to tell you that up to now we have taken, means we have directly assigned the value towards to the variable names, right? But now what the case is that if you want to take the value from the user, then how will you take it? Okay, so for that, whenever you want to take the value from the user, okay, suppose you want to store that value into the variable name my variable. Okay, so my var, okay, is equal to input. Okay, how many, it's like it is written in the double quotes, that is how many mango do you want? Okay, question mark, shift enter. So see, this is asking you that how many mango do you want. Okay, so let I want 30 mangoes. Okay, 30, enter. So whenever, okay, so in this way you can ask the user about whatever you want, whatever input you want to take it, and you can store that input into this variable. Okay, so simply in the my variable name I have stored the input from the users, and in this way you can take the input from the user. Okay, so I want to print that variable that input. Okay, so my var 30, see, so in this way you can print it. Then after constant, so in Python there is no explicit keyword for defining the constants like in some other programming languages. Okay, actually constant is nothing but the value which cannot be changed. Okay, suppose in mathematics we are taking pi value, right? What is the value of the pi? That is 3.14, right? So pi is equal to 3.142, so I cannot change this value, right? So this value is constant, so this is the nothing but constants. Okay, so simply today we have learned about the variables, keywords, constant, and how to take the input from the user. So this is the way you can do it. Okay, so we will stop over here, and in next video we will learn with